Downey Unified's vision is for all students to graduate with a 21st century education that ensures they are college and career ready, globally competitive, and citizens of strong character. Career Technical Education, or CTE, serves as a dynamic tool for addressing and meeting the unique priorities of our region. In addition to meeting priority needs, CTE creates opportunities for students to learn, grow, and dream. Downey's career technical education programs engage, and its industry-aligned pathways educate. The district is committed to funding to fulfill its vision through a variety of grants and matching funds. In 2022, Downey Unified received over $5.4 million in grants for our CTE programs, and we continue to look for creative ways to fund all of our CTE pathways and programs. We are determined to take pathway improvement, career exploration, and work experience opportunities to the next level for our students. We offer 23 CTE high school pathways and a variety of programs across middle and elementary school. Our programs allow students to explore their interests with an eye towards future pathways. We engage elementary students in a variety of programs through hands-on learning and tinkering, which leads our students to middle school, where they are exposed to career exploration, priming them for success in their pathways in high school, where they learn industry-aligned skills for the workplace and post-secondary futures. Downey Unified continues to pursue all of these efforts and more in support of students graduating with a 21st century education that ensures they are college and career ready, globally competitive, and citizens of strong character. We remain committed to that vision because our students deserve the best.